Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is a really cool product I'm going to install on my car. It's about range these days because I'm going on a lot of road trips. So I had to hit up one of my favorite companies, HaloBlk, and we have their new HaloDisc wheel covers, which claim to be out of this world. So we're going to go unbox that, see what they look like, install it, and give you my opinion. So let's get to it. And if you haven't heard of HaloBlk, I highly recommend you check them out. They are creme de la creme of Tesla accessories, from their packaging to the products itself to their customer service. You will not be disappointed. HaloBlk.com, they got you covered. One side it's going to say HaloBlk. Spin it around and it's going to say HaloDisc. On the front, you're going to get design or nothing. And on the sides, you're going to have a diagram of what the HaloDisc is going to look like. So let's go ahead and open the box.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
First up, we're going to have our HaloDisc cap. From there, we have this really cool aluminum looking HaloDisc. This is the center lock tool. This is the center lock for your right. This is the center lock cap for your right side. This is the center lock cap for your left side. A really nice vibrant red color. This is your H2 for the left side. And your center lock for your left side. Now, one of my favorite parts are these little boxes that usually has the instructions and little extra tools inside, and I'll show you why. First up, we're going to have a little ratchet tool to tighten your bolts, all of your screws necessary for installation, and you're going to have another tool, not sure what this is used for yet. They even include some wheel protection tape. A lot of these aero covers out here don't include this, and your wheels underneath the aero covers get scratched up because sand and dust and debris, they get stuck in there and they scratch up your OEM wheels, which is a headache. Had that happen before. These really cool installation gloves. Definitely going to add these to my toolkit. And in this envelope here, you're going to have your instructions and my favorite part of all the HaloBlk accessories. Every single HaloBlk accessory, you get one of these beautifully made diagrams, which is really, really cool. And it has details and all that jazz about the product. And if you're wondering which wheel locks to use on your vehicle for your set of rims, they even include a diagram compatibility chart. So H1 will go for all the wheels on the left, and H2 will go for all the wheels on the right. Now let's see what the covers look like. These look really, really cool in my opinion. Very futuristic. A nice gloss matte finish combination, which is pretty cool. Check out on the front here, it says Cybertrack. This gray here is nice and raised, kind of like a bezel texture, which is really cool. Great contrast with the black. All right, let's go put these on the car. All right, now to get started, I'm going to remove my center cap. Hopefully without scratching it. So this protective tape is going to go along the edge of my wheel. All right, all the tape is on the wheel. And it is super easy to cut, so you don't need any scissors to cut the tape. So my rim is now protected. So that was step 2. Step 3, we now insert our center lock caps here. So since I'm using a H1, I don't need this plastic washer. So I will take this, and that goes into the wheel, like so. I believe you just tighten it up. Hold the right wheel center lock body and rotate the limit ring counterclockwise until it reaches the middle position. Step 7. Hold the limit ring and rotate the hub center clockwise until tightly seated in the center hub. Alright, now I don't need to do step 8 unless you were using H2 center lock cap. You would put this on, but I am H1. So the next step is step 9, align the HaloDisc center hub with the hub insert. So we have our HaloDisc here. That is aligned. Step 10 is insert the center lock cap through the HaloDisc and twist it using the center lock tool. So that would be this, H1 for me. Now use this. Step 11, insert the hex screw into the center hole and tighten it using the provided hex key. Step 12, align the HaloDisc cap. That would be these. With the latch of the HaloDisc and turn clockwise to tighten. There we go. We have one fully installed HaloDisc wheel cover. Now if you're interested in taking these off, you literally just do all of those steps in reverse. So boom, take that off. You'll use your hex key to unscrew the bolt, then use your center lock tool to unscrew the center cap. And then what's so cool about that is once you take the cover off, you can just press the locking mechanism inwards, like so. And it comes out instantly. So what do y'all think? This is the car with the HaloDisc on, and the rear tire, of course, has the HaloDisc off. I think it looks pretty cool. I might keep one on. I really dig that look. But let's put the second one on and see what it looks like all together. Be right back. So yeah, let me know what y'all think, man. I think these look really interesting. It's a different look than my OEM wheels. It's supposed to add some range too. I don't have the metrics on that. I'm sure there's a video out there with someone that has the proper tools. I wouldn't want to lead y'all astray. I might tag it up somewhere in the description or above me. But if you dig it, if you don't dig it, always let me know. I love chatting up with y'all. I do have a discount code in the description for you to save you some money as always. And be blessed, man. Take care, and I appreciate you.